The Airbus Pop.Up is a futuristic transportation concept designed to solve city traffic problems. It was developed by Airbus in collaboration with Audi. The idea combines driving and flying in one modular system. It allows people to switch between road and air travel easily. The system uses a passenger capsule that can attach to different modules. One module works as a ground electric car for city driving. Another module turns it into a flying vehicle with vertical takeoff ability. This makes travel faster and more flexible in crowded cities. Later, it evolved with improved technology and design features. The Mansory Flying Hypercar is a futuristic concept that combines a supercar with flying technology. It is designed by Mansory, known for creating extreme luxury and high-performance vehicles. This concept blends road driving power with vertical takeoff, VTOL, flight ability. It represents a vision of future transportation where cars can also fly. The vehicle is expected to use a hybrid system combining electric thrust and a powerful engine. It is built with lightweight carbon fiber materials for speed and efficiency. On the road, it may reach speeds above 250 miles per hour. In the air, it could potentially cruise at around 300 kilometers per hour. The price is estimated between $2 million and $3.5 million. The Breezer Sport is a German-built, two-seat light sport aircraft designed to be fast, smooth, and easy to fly. It has a low-wing design and is made entirely from aluminum, with a rounded body and smooth surfaces that help it cut through the air efficiently. Powered by a 141-horsepower Rotax 915S engine, the Breezer Sport can reach a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and cruises comfortably at 125 miles per hour. It also climbs quickly, at up to 1,300 feet per minute, allowing for fast takeoffs and strong overall performance. Inside, the 46.7-inch wide cabin offers a comfortable space with modern glass cockpit avionics. Overall, the Breezer Sport is a stylish, high-performance aircraft well-suited for pilots who enjoy sport flying. The Drone Champions League made headlines in 2020 when it revealed the world's first manned racing drone. This unique aircraft takes drone technology to the next level. Unlike normal racing drones, it can carry a person and perform exciting stunts like rolls and loops, making it feel part sport and part live entertainment. What makes it stand out is its dual control system. It can be flown by a pilot sitting inside or controlled remotely, blending the feel of a drone with that of a real aircraft. With a price of over $1 million, it's not for everyday use. The makers see it as the future of drone racing, pushing the sport to be faster and more extreme. For now, it remains a high-end machine built for thrill seekers and adrenaline lovers. The Silverlight Aviation AR-1 is an American-made gyroplane designed for both relaxed flying and long-distance trips. It is popular with pilots because it offers a good balance of performance, safety, and comfort. The AR-1 is powered by a turbocharged Rotax 915S engine producing 141 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of about 120 miles per hour and cruises smoothly between 55 and 100 miles per hour. With a strong climb rate of up to 1,300 feet per minute, takeoffs are quick and responsive. The tandem seating design offers clear, wide views, with the front seat set up for the pilot and designed for extra comfort. Overall, the AR-1 provides a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable flying experience built on solid engineering. The SkyDrive SD-05 is a small flying taxi designed for city travel. It is known for its smart design and strong potential for urban air mobility. The aircraft won a prestigious IF Design Award in the professional concept category, standing out among thousands of entries worldwide for its modern look and advanced engineering. Often called one of the most accessible flying cars, the SD-05 has a sleek body and uses 12 electric motors to provide smooth, quiet, and stable flights. Its compact size makes it suitable for crowded city areas, where it can be used for quick daily commutes, air taxi services, or emergency transport. SkyDrive has already shown the SD-05 in public test flights, proving its progress in both design and real-world operation. With its mix of attractive design and practical use, the SD-05 is seen as an important step toward the future of safe, efficient, and sustainable city air travel. The Skyleader 600 is a two-seat, all-metal light sport aircraft made for fun flying, flight training, and special missions. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, giving it a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and a comfortable cruise speed of around 119 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 31.7 gallons, it can fly up to about 994 miles and stay in the air for nearly 9 hours. The aircraft is designed for comfort, with a wide 50-inch cockpit, good visibility, and ergonomic seating. Its wing design with Fowler flaps improves lift and control, making flights smooth and safe. The Skyleader 600 weighs 750 pounds empty and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, allowing a useful load of 573 pounds. With modern avionics and customizable options, it is a reliable, efficient, and comfortable choice for light sport pilots. The TX-0001 is a two-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX-0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet. Meet the TUSI, a flying car that looks straight out of a superhero movie. This advanced vehicle combines powerful engineering with vertical flight, letting you drive on city roads or fly above them. Its sleek, futuristic design features foldable propellers, allowing it to switch from driving mode to flight mode in just seconds. Made for city travel, the TUSI can take off vertically from small spaces, making it ideal for daily commutes or quick trips. Its carbon fiber body is lightweight but strong, and the electric motor makes it quiet and environmentally friendly. On the ground, it feels like a luxury car. In the air, it flies smoothly like a drone. With an estimated flight range of 250 to 300 kilometers and a speed designed for short regional trips, the TUSI is not just an idea for the future. It's a big step toward a world where flying to work could be normal.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000. Wisk Aero Gen 6 is an advanced self-flying air taxi made to change how people travel in cities. It can carry 4 passengers along with their luggage, offering a fast and convenient way to move between city centers, airports, and nearby suburbs without getting stuck in traffic. The aircraft runs on electric power and has a lightweight design with 12 propellers and a wingspan of about 50 feet. It can cruise at around 120 knots and fly up to 90 miles on a single trip. Safety and comfort are key features, with backup systems, fewer moving parts, and a roomy cabin designed for passengers. Built in partnership with Boeing, The Gen 6 has already completed early flight tests and is working toward full approval for commercial use. Its ability to fly completely on its own, without a pilot on board, makes it one of the first air taxis bringing the future of urban air travel closer to everyday life.